chose colors of interfaith harmony with Tatla Ittehad Faisalabad, Chakchumra. A prestigious event promoting interfaith harmony and unity was organized at Dera Chaudhry Faisal Tatla under the platform of Tatla Ittehad, Pakistan. The gathering reflected a strong message of peace, brotherhood, and mutual respect among different communities. The event was attended by members of the Christian community, Sikh community, religious scholars, ulama, civil society representatives, and media personnel. Prominent figures from various walks of life participated to express solidarity and strengthen interfaith relations. The chief guest included Bishop Dr. Andreas Rahmat, Reverend Father Parvez Emmanuel, Minority Chairman Riaz Nad, Sardar Jagmohan Singh from Nankana Sahib, and renowned religious Nankana Sahib and renowned religious scholar Allama Qari Umar Khatab. In their speeches, they emphasized the importance of peace, tolerance, and unity in society. Chairman Peace Committee Tatla Ittehad Pakistan Chaudhry Hassan Nabil Tatla, Divisional President Faisalabad Chaudhry Shoaib Iqbal Tatla, and Tehsil President Chaudhry Azhar Hussain Tatla, along with other distinguished guests, were also present at the occasion. At the end of the ceremony, a tree plantation drive was also launched under the platform of Tatla Ittehad Pakistan, aiming not only to improve the environment but also to spread the message of unity and harmony. The participants reaffirmed their commitment to continue organizing such events to promote peace, interfaith harmony, and brotherhood in society.